Hi, guys, it's Doris, and I would just like to again say thank you to everyone that has joined the group thus far. I know it's very small, but I'm hoping that it's going to grow and that we can all learn together about different crafts. And I strongly believe in each one teach one. And if we do that, we can all be great crafters and, be great at what we do. But today I just wanted to take about 5 minutes of your time, 5 minutes or less, and just talk about an error message that you may see when you're working in Cricut Design Space. And a lot of newbies, when they are working in Cricut Design Space and they get this message, they freak out and they think that, their Cricut Design Space is broken or that they can't complete their project. And so I wanted to talk about when you get an alert message that tells you that your project is incompatible and how you can rectify the situation so that you can create that great project that you're working on. So I am in Cricut Design Space. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload an image. So I'll go down and I'll click on the little button here for upload. And I have images already in my Cricut Design Space that I've worked with before. And so what I'm going to do is just simply click on one of those. And then I'm going to, in the bottom right-hand corner, click on the little button here that says Insert Images. When the image comes in, it's going to be super large. You can see that Cricut Design Space is telling us that this image width is 21.054 and the height is 23.5. If you look over to the very far right side, you're going to have some information that's very crucial for you to focus on. And so it's telling you the name of your image, and then it's telling you that right now you're working on a cut and a print project, which basically means that your printer is going to print this image out, and then you will take that printed image, load it onto your physical mat, and then you're going to put it into your cutting machine, and your cutting machine would then cut this image out for you so that you don't have to do it by hand and make mistakes and then clip off some really crucial parts. So that's the purpose of your Cricut Maker, your Explore Air, Explore Air 2, your Silhouette, whatever cutting machine you may have, that's the purpose of it. Now, if you look over here, you have a triangle with a little exclamation inside of it. And basically, that's an alert to let you know that something is not right with your project. If you attempt to go ahead and click on Make It to print and cut this image, it's going to tell you the project is incompatible. And it tells you this project is not supported by your current machine selection. To resolve, select OK and adjust the affected layers. When you click on OK, it's a simple fix. Don't freak out. All you do is just scroll down to the bottom of the image, and you're going to have what looks like a little icon here, and it's a lock. You're just going to click it one time, and then scroll over to the very far right, because what you're doing is you're unlocking the image so that you can maneuver the size, the height, and the width of it, or reposition it. And so you have another little icon here that has 4 arrows, one up, right, left, and down. You're just going to click that and then drag the image in. And you can see here, it's telling you that your size, your width, and the height is being impacted. It's changing for you. And you're just going to continue to move that image size until the alert message here goes away. So if I continue to move this image, you can see now the alert message is gone. So I would be able to now cut and print my image like I want to without any issues. It's telling me that my image is going to be, right at about, let's see here, almost 6 inches long, 6 inches wide, and then almost 10 inches long. And we don't want that. So I don't want that. So what I would do is I would continue to drag it in a little bit so it doesn't look so stretchy. All right, so now she's perfect. And you don't have your alert message anymore. So now if I go and I click on the Make It in the top right corner, Cricut Design Space is now ready to print my project without any issues. So what's going to happen is you can tell that this is still a cut and print because when you look at your image here, it has a black line going around the image, and that is to indicate this is a cut and print. So what's going to happen is your printer would print this image out for you, and then you see this matte image here. You would then take your printed image, you would place it on your physical mat, and then you would put it into your cutting machine, and your cutting machine would then go in and cut out all these little intricate details here to your image so that you don't have to do that by hand or with scissors. And so your image would then be ready for you to put it on a mug or t-shirt or what have you. So what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and we're going to click cancel because we're not going to be printing this out. And also on another note, you also have print and cut here to the right to let you know that that's the type of project that you're working on is a print and cut, just in case you forget about the black line here. But I'm going to cancel that. I just wanted to take some time just to talk to you about the Project Incompatible alert message. If you're ever working in Cricut Design Space, don't freak out if you see that. Now you know what to do. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns about it, please reach out. Again, guys, welcome to the group. Thank you, guys, and have a great day.